Hello students, how are you? So I hope you all are good. So as of now in English grammar we have discussed three chapters: tenses, models and reported speech. So now we are going to start writing skills. Writing skills includes letter writing, article writing and story writing. So today we are going to begin with letter writing. Okay, so let us begin. So first of all we are going to discuss format of a formal letter. So in 10th class only questions on the basis of formal letters are asked. Okay, there is no informal letter in your syllabus, only formal letters are in your syllabus. Okay, so we are going to discuss formal letters only. So what is the format of a formal letter? First we write sender's address. After sender's address we have to leave one blank line. Okay, you have to leave one blank line. After leaving one blank line we have to write date. After leaving blank line, date is written. Date should be in the given format, or you can also write a date in this way. It is 19th May today. Sorry, it is 19th May today. So you can write 19 May 2020. Okay, or 19th May 2020 or 19th May, 2020. All formats are correct. Okay. So after sender's address, date. After sender's address, leave one blank line. After leaving one blank line, we have to write date. After date, receiver's address. After date, don't forget to leave one blank line once again. Okay, then write receiver's address. After receiver's address, again leave one blank line. After leaving one blank line, your subject. In subject there should be only phrase. Okay, it should be less than one line. Okay, it should not be more than one line. Okay, so only phrase. Now full sentence cannot be used in a subject. Try to write your subject in a phrase. Okay, then salutation, sir or madam. After leaving one blank line once again, after subject you have to write salutation, sir or madam. Okay, after salutation you need not to write any you need not to leave any blank line. So after salutation you have to start writing body of letter. So first paragraph is introduction. Give introduction in one or two lines, that is para 1. In para 2, 6 to 7 lines. You have to write the content and then complementary clause, para 3rd. So your letter should be in 3 paragraphs. Okay, your letter should be in 3 paragraphs. Then subscription. In subscription you can write yours obediently, yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely. So it will depend upon the type of letter which we will be discussing when we will be discussing the letters of some categories. Okay, when we will categorize the letters, so we will get to know we should use which subscription for what purpose. Okay, so in subscription you can use yours obediently, yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely. Then your signature. After signature you have to write your name in block letter. Okay, then your designation, if it is necessary to mention your designation in the letter, then you are going to mention. If it is not necessary, you need not mention your designation. Okay, if you are enclosing anything with the letter, you must mention. Okay, so I hope you all are clear with the format. Okay, so writing letter to editor. An examination based on letters to editor, this question is of 8 marks. Such formal letters are asked in examinations and they are having 8 marks. Such questions are of 8 marks in your examination. So let us discuss letters to editor. So what are the main points we should keep remember while writing a letter to editor? Some important points to remember. Para 1, so deal with introduction of the problem in brief. So first of all, in para 1 you have to give the brief introduction of the problem which you are going to discuss. In para 2, so discuss the problem in detail, listing the reason for factors responsible and consequences. Okay, so para 1 is introductory para, in which you have to give introduction what problem you are going to discuss. In second para, discuss the problem in detail, listing the reason for factors responsible for consequences. In third paragraph should have some feasible solutions, suggestions to sort out the problem. Some logical solution you have to give in third paragraph. Okay, some suggestions how to overcome the problem, what steps can be taken. So this you can suggest some ways how to problem can be solved. Okay, how problem can be solved. So in this way, in third paragraph you have to give a logical reason, logical solution, suggestion to sort out the problem. Now closing line. Editor may be requested to publish your letter, because you are writing this letter to editor. So you never mention that to take proper action, because editor is not going to take any action. You are writing this letter to editor, and editor will publish this letter in the newspaper. Then when the authority will go through the newspaper, authority will come to know your problem, and authority is going to solve. The concerned authority then will be solving your problem. So never mention that please look into the matter and take the steps to solve it. So you cannot mention such lines. You should not mention such lines in such type of letters, because such types of letters are written to editor, and editor will only publish your problem. He is not going to solve your problem. Okay, so never request an editor to solve your problem. Only request him, her to publish your problem. Okay. Remember, the editor is not your problem solver, so she should not be asked to take some immediate measures or necessary actions to solve the problem. So as I have just told you, the editor is not your problem solver, so you should not ask him to take some immediate measures or necessary actions to solve the problem. Okay, so how can we start such letters to editor? Some possible openings sentences. How can you start such type of letters to editor? Here some possible lines have been given. So you can start with this way: I am a resident of this area. I am writing this letter to express my views on. Or you can start your letter with these lines. Look at the second one: through the columns of your esteemed and widely read newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities and the general public to an important issue which. So I think the second one is more suitable to start such letters. So in order to write a letter to editor, so I would like to suggest you that you should use the second point, which is more suitable. So while starting, write a letter to editor. Okay, so third one: I'm a regular reader of your newspaper. I read an article on this topic in your newspaper. I strongly feel that. So these are some possible opening sentences. Okay, so which one you consider a suitable sentence? You can start writing your letter to editor any of these lines. Okay, now possible concluding lines. Possible concluding lines are: I request you to publish this letter with some relevant photographs to spread awareness among the readers. Second one: I hope some more articles and sports on this issue would be published so that the concerned authorities would take some immediate measures to rectify the problem. I hope that you will publish my letter and help initiate a public debate on this issue. So these are some concluding sentences which you can use to conclude your letter while writing a letter to editor. Okay, so now let us discuss some solve examples, then some questions for you also for practice. Okay, so let us discuss some solve examples of letter to editor. Look at the question. The youngsters of the modern era are morally bankrupt. Write a letter to the editor of the local daily expressing your opinion on the same in not more than 150 words. You are Reshma Rajat. Okay, so let's start. So first we are going to write your address, house number 675A, Shastriya Colony, Ambala. Then after leaving, one line blank, we have to write here date. After date, the editor, the Times of India. Then again leave a blank line. After date also you have to leave one blank line. Then after editor's address you have to leave one blank line. Okay. Then sir, then again leave a blank line. Then subject. It's it's optional. You can write subject before the before sir or after sir. Okay, so it's a choice. It's optional. Don't get confused. Subject can be written either before the subject or after the subject. So you can see moral values in the young. So it is a phrase only. You need not write a full sentence. Okay, we only write a phrase. Then subject. Through the columns of your STEAM newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the common masses towards human and moral values in the youngsters of the modern era. Second paragraph, it goes without saying that our youngsters tend to avoid our long cherished traditions, which are based on values. They never display sympathetic attitude towards the fellow human beings. They are not respectful to women, elders and children. They are not habitual of speaking polite words. The youngsters do not respect their teachers and parents. I believe that we have to be tactful in making the young morally sound. We should make them realize the significance of values. We cannot retain our calm and cool if we do not follow values. The youngsters are to be taken beyond the books and syllabus to make them emotionally attached with the fellow beings. I request, it is closing line, I request you to give some space to my ideas in your steamed newspaper. Yours truly, Rajat. So mostly when we write a letter to a newspaper editor, so we can use either truly or faithfully. Both are correct, but truly is considered more suitable. So while writing a letter to editor, we should use truly as in subscription. Okay. So as we have seen that in the first paragraph, first look at the address, receiver's address, first sender's address. After sender's address you have to leave one blank line. After one blank line you have to write date, then again blank line, then address of the editor, and then again blank line. After blank line you have to write salutation sir, then subject, and it is optional whether subject either can be written before subject or after the subject. Okay, it's your choice. In the first paragraph it is introductory para. So through the columns of your STEAM newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the common masses towards human moral values in the youngsters of the modern era. So it is what is the subject you are going to discuss. This is an introductory paragraph. In second paragraph you have seen that you have elaborated what is the problem. So has been given in detail. So in the second paragraph you have to give the problem in detail and what can be the solution. So both things should be mentioned in your second paragraph. So what are the problem you are going to discuss and what can be the possible solution and suggestions from your side. Okay, you have to include. And last paragraph is in closing lines, sorry, these are the closing lines, so in which you have to request to the editor that he would publish your request in his newspaper. And now leave one blank line here, then yours truly name. Okay, so you can put your signature also after name here. Okay, got it? Okay, so now let us move on towards the next letter. So these are some letters for your practice. Letters related to social issues. So letters for practice, the latest, these are some latest questions taken from latest sample papers. Okay, so you must mention, you must write all these letters in your notebook. Okay, so you can pause the video and can note down the questions. First one, social networking sites have become the latest fad for school going children. The craze has a very bad impact on the youngsters. Considering its gravity, you want to express your concern. Write a letter to the editor of Hindustan Times in 100 to 120 words. You are Nitin Nutan of house number 123 upon 8 SN 15 Sant Nagar, Delhi. So one very common mistake is seen, mostly students do, they put comma after sir or madam. So here it must be noted down that we always avoid using punctuation mark in letter. So never put comma after sir. It has been seen that many students, after writing salutation sir or madam, they put comma. So here using comma is wrong. So we should never use comma here. Okay, we should be careful about that. Okay, mostly our students make this mistake. Second one, these are some questions for practice. You must note down all the questions and do them in your fair notebook. Practice them in your fair notebook. Okay, so now second one, some senior citizens in your neighborhood are very badly neglected and humiliated by their own sons and daughters-in-law. Such incidents have touched your heart. You want to show your concern through a letter to the editor of any national daily of Delhi. You are Harsha of D2B block, Pitampura, Delhi. Okay, third one. So you should pause the video and write down the questions on your notebook. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily to express your views about the happiness curriculum in school. Write about your experiences and share your views of the importance of such initiatives. Actually, in Delhi government school, the Delhi government has started happiness curriculum. So if you don't know about it, you should read about it from internet, and then you have to write this letter. Fourth one, a special weekly supplement on health and hygiene has recently been launched by the daily newspaper that you get at home. The articles in that supplement cater to all age groups of people. Everyone finds it very beneficial. Write a letter to the editor of that newspaper thanking him/her for it and also congratulating him/her on its success. So sign yourself as Radhika Raman, living at 6D Kedar Apartment, Rohini, Sector 9, Delhi. Next, fifth one, write a letter to the editor of Sachi Khabar, Tulika Bazaar, Delhi, about the ongoing summer camps being organized in all the government schools by the Directorate of Education. Write about the activities they are doing and how they will help the students in developing their overall personality. You are Shivam of 34 Gulmohar Road, Alaknanda State, Delhi. Now these were some social issues which we have discussed. So these are some social issues. So now let us discuss some civic related issues. Okay, look at the first one. You are Rajat Rakhi of S5 Parliament Club, Delhi, 96. All the campaigns of cleanliness drives appear in vain to you because wherever you turn, you find heaps of garbage overflowing, chalked gutters, filthy roads, etc. For this, you want to draw the attention of the general public and concerned authorities by writing a letter to the editor of Navayug Times, Palam Road, Pitampura. Second one, you are Amit Amrita of 88 Dr. Mukherjee Nagar, Delhi 99. You have seen that liquor ban in some states has brought positive impact on society. You want that other states should also impose ban on alcohol. So this has prompted you to write a letter to the editor, The Hindu, Chennai. Okay, TN in 100 to 100. Tamil Nadu, TN means here Tamil Nadu. Okay, 120 words. It is words, not works. It is misprinting. Third one, there has been a spurt in the cases of violence due to parking space in the residential colonies. Every now and then you see people in your neighborhood. It is neighborhood. It's again once again misprinting. Quarreling over occupying parking space. This has actually become a serious problem. Write a letter to the editor of the National Daily sharing your views on this issue. You are Purva Perth, staying at SU 181 Pitampura, New Delhi. You may include the hints given below. Increase in the murder of cars, increase in the number of cars, increase in the number of cars, parking cars on the road in front of houses, no parking space for house owners, brawls and quarrels, manhandling, ill feelings among people. So these are some suggested point which you can include in your letter. So you are Anushka Aniket, staying at B16 Kalindi Apartments, Sector 9, Dwarka. There are no street lights on the main road leading to the society. The road gets very dark after 7 in the evening, resulting in the possibilities of some accident or mishap. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily directing the attention of the concerned authorities towards it. You are Khushi Tanishq, staying at 3/16 Ramesh Nagar. You are disturbed to see that a beautiful park in your area has been converted into a dumping ground by the builders of the construction sites. So the laborers throw all the debris in the park. With the result, children are not able to play and people cannot take morning or evening walk. Despite several complaints to the authorities by RWA, Residents Welfare Association, Residents Welfare Association, no action has been taken so far. As a responsible citizen, write a letter to the editor of the Times of India, Delhi, showing your concern and divert the attention of the concerned authorities towards it. Sixth one and last one, you are upset to see that the main road of your locality has been flooded with the roadside shops, resulting in traffic jams. write a letter to the editor of a national daily expressing your concern over this issue. You are Neha Namit, living at 21/37 Uttam Nagar, Delhi. So all these letters you must write you must practice in your notebook. Okay, in next class we will discuss formal letter of making a complaint. Okay, so now in today's video we have discussed letter to editor, we have discussed the format, we have discussed one solved examples, one sample example, and now here are some exercises, some letters for practice. You must practice them all in your fair notebook. Okay, and you can pause the video and write down the questions. I will also try to send all the questions on Snap homework as well as in your WhatsApp group. So thank you for watching the video.